Some benefits of booking driving lessons online. Booking driving lessons online is available 24/7, so it is convenient. You can review the driving instructor's profile to ensure your choice. There are flexible options to chat with the instructor to fix date and time. Hassle-free payment option with support from the back-end team. Option to choose a female or multilingual driving instructor based on ratings. Select your location to take driving lessons and change at any time. Easy option to choose your desired driving lesson plan as per your budget. Thank you for watching. For more, visit our site www.carlearner.com.